Hello my friends, here I want to share with you some new details about my Oz Opera wheels. Here are genuine center caps I bought from Germany. Today they came here and now I will show you them to you and also will try to fit them on the wheels itself. Here you can see these are brand new genuine Mercedes parts. Here you can see the part number and also they are made in Germany and it is very good. I prefer this type of center caps because they look more modern than the previous versions, and I think they will make my wheels look more freshly and better. So now I will open this package and will try to see this cap more detailedly with you. Here we are, my friends. Let's put this package here and see the center cap itself. What can we say? The great quality, as always, on genuine parts. It shines and looks very good. Here you can see also the interchangeable part number stamped inside of the center cap, and I want to mention that this center cap is suitable for any wheels which have 75 millimeter place for this cap. I like the shiny chrome star and the silver color on the cap itself. Here guys, I also have the older styled caps which were installed on W01, W124 and some other Mercedes cars, but to be honest I don't like them very much, and that's why I bought the newer style. And also these are very rare to find today, news, even from Germany, and if you find them it costs very expensive, so it is not option for me. That's why I picked what I showed you already. The construction of the both cap is the same. They are different from style, but the style of the caps are different, but the other details are the same. I mean, inside both of them have the same clips and both of them have this steel oval part which secures it on the wheel itself. So my friends, here is the final result. Sorry for the dirty car. Here is the center cap installed on the Oz Opera wheel, and I think that it looks very good. The paint of the cap matches the paint of the wheel mostly, and I like also this chrome shiny star which is very good visible here. This is the rear wheel. Now guys, here you can see the rubber size and how it is installed on the wheel, on the rim itself. This size fits very good this type of wheel. And now I will show you the front also. Here you can see it. This center cap also looks amazing on the front of my car. Fit is very good, very secured. It is absolutely bolt-on installation. So my friends, I will do another detailed video about these wheels and show you better how they look. This was a little update video about these center caps, and I recommend to everyone this type of caps with the silver rims. They look simply amazing. As I mentioned, I will do detailed video about these wheels, their fitment, and I will report everything in that video. Let's finish at this moment now. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please ask me, and see you in the next videos. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.